1967 Buick Convertible. Just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Now, this particular vehicle, powered by a V8 underneath the hood, does have the 300 Buick V8 underneath there. That is paired with an automatic transmission. Also has power steering, power brakes. As far as the color, I would call it kind of a copper. It has had a repaint along the way. This was originally been a gold car from Buick. Now it's kind of an orange or copper. Kind of cool looking color on the convertible. As far as paint, it's got some touch-ups and shows its age a little bit. Show you a little spot over here where it was touched up. It's one you could spend a little time on, a little TLC, and kind of take it to the next level. Or it's one you get in, turn the key and go and drive it and have a little fun. As far as service work, we did all 4 wheel cylinders to it and front brakes. We'll start it up so you can hear it running a little bit. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the interior undersides, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. You'll be able to see the pictures there. Feel free to call us too, of course, 507-386-1726. See, it's riding on the Buick Rally style wheels. White wall radials. I believe the interior would have been a saddle interior. It has faded over time. You can kind of see a little bit of two-tone color going on, so there's a little bit of fading to the vinyl interior. Now, this does have a power top. The top is kind of a beige color. Top is in decent shape. You can see the still pictures of that too, but you're going to be able to put the top up, keep the elements out, not going to get wet, any rain in there, anything like that. And there is, again, still pictures of the top at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. If you live in the continental United States, we can assist with transportation of this vehicle. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There'll be still pictures of the trunk. Also, and of course, the undersides. There's probably over 100 pictures of this car, top up, top down. You can see up and down. I mean, it's not full of a bunch of nicks or dings or scratches. Yes, the paint does have some imperfections. A little older repaint, but still shows nicely. A little touch up right there. You can see it, small spot. Check out the interior driver's side. There is a spot that's worn the carpet, and I took a picture of that in the stills too, so you're aware of that. Again, one of those, if you want to spend a little time and take it to the next level, you can. Or if you want to get in, turn the key, start it up, it'll do that too. See how easily it starts? It seems to be a smooth running car, the little bit that I've driven around our showroom. Pretty much stock looking dash. No crazy exhaust, about what you'd expect out of a stock Buick 300 V8. Let's go and slip up to the hood, and I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's pop and check out that engine bay. Alright, here we go. There was some brake work that was done to it also. Like I said, front brake components, and then the wheel cylinders. It's smooth running. Good sounding engine. So there you go, looking for a convertible that you can get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Here it is, 1967 Buick Skylark convertible. 300 V8 underneath the hood, automatic transmission. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, You live in the continental United States, we can assist with the transportation in this vehicle. Financing is available. You may qualify for an extended service contract, and of course we do take trades. So give us a call.